Hey everybody, so I bought some stuff from Jason Reynolds. I got a Milwaukee tool and a GearWrench set of tools. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Alright, so this is going to be just a small tool haul. I bought some tools from Jason Reynolds. I bought this M12 Milwaukee 3/8 crown stapler from him. He gave me a killer deal, $35. I couldn't pass it up, especially since just bare tool is $99. It does from 1/4 inch 6mm to 9/16 or 14mm crown staples. It's got the clip on it. I also picked up these two ratchets for $35. They're Comfort Grip Gear Wrench, 3/8 and a 1/4 inch. Part number 81223. Pull them off this. They're actually pretty nice. This is going to be just a quick little tool haul. The 3/8 is part number 81225. 1/4 inch is part number 81224. And the part number on the stapler is cat number 2447-20. Probably hard to see, it's right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. As well, he also sent me a VCG Very Cool Gang sticker. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Comments and criticisms down below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.